Recently, Heron Health News released a blood pressure program in which they are claiming to lower blood pressure with just 3 exercises. Written manual. This short 13-page manual contains how these 3 exercises lower blood pressure along with the step-by-step method on how to perform them correctly for maximum results. Listen to audio version. Bonus: the Natural Blood Pressure Lifestyle Report. This bonus report focus on nutrition and diet for high blood pressure. It includes foods, supplements and herbs that reduce blood pressure. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. What is Blue Heron blood pressure program all about? Christian claims these 3 exercises are designed in such a way that they can lower blood pressure and improve overall health in just 3 weeks. You have to perform all 3 exercises that take 30 to 40 minutes for maximum results. However, if you are busy and can't arrange that much time, then Christian recommends 1 exercise every day that only takes 9 minutes. I am sure you can arrange that for your health. These 3 exercises are so simple that it doesn't require any experience. Anyone can perform them and lower the risk of hypertension, stress, anxiety, heart disease, stroke and many others. Many people already lower their blood pressure with these 3 exercises. However, if it doesn't work, then don't give up. Some get results quickly while some take longer. Christian has provided 2 months money-back guarantee because he wants you to try these exercises without any risk. Additionally, this program comes with diet, fitness and lifestyle tips that make it a comprehensive program on lowering blood pressure. Click the link below for visit official site. 3 exercises of Blue Heron blood pressure program. The 3 exercises of this program are interlinked with each other. Christian recommends performing all these 3 exercises together for maximum benefits as they don't need special setup or equipment. Exercise 1: Walking in rhythm. This exercise is some type of rhythmic walking that you can perform anywhere, doesn't matter if you are inside your home or outside for a walk. Best time to perform this exercise is in the morning. Christian recommends synchronizing arm swing with your steps and repeating yourself left right etc. That's it. It is easy and effective as well. Research and studies showed us a mild exercise like walking and moving on the spot can be beneficial and helps in reducing blood pressure. Exercise 2: Emotional release exercise. This emotional release exercise is a modified version of traditional breathing exercise that releases stress from the body. Breathing exercises are known to release tension from the body that is the leading cause of high blood pressure. This exercise lasts for around 20 minutes. Christian recommends best time to perform this exercise is in the afternoon before lunch if you are performing all 3 exercises in a day. This breathing exercise combines relaxing meditation, and you may feel very relaxed drifting off to sleep after performing this exercise. Exercise 3: Traditional relaxation exercise. This 3rd exercise is traditional relaxation, but never underestimate the power of this traditional exercise. This exercise lasts for 20 minutes that focus on muscle relaxation and breathing. Research proved that blood pressure reduces when mind and muscles are relaxed, so it is a good thing to perform this exercise every day. The focus of this exercise is to reduce stress and tension that are the reasons for high blood pressure. For more information, click the link below.